Okay. So question 3. The first question says, what is meant by fixed cost? So what are fixed costs?
Business costs such as rent that are constant, whatever the output increases.
It doesn't change, right?
It doesn't change.
So that's FC.
Yeah.
Cost that doesn't change as output
Yeah.
changes, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And second, calculate the forecast revenue per week for the new cafe.
cafe.
So how do you calculate your total
You
revenue?
multiply the quantity by the price.
Price multiplied by quantity. So we have the average amount spent per customer, which is $4, multiplied by what?
Average number of customers per
Per
week,
week,
which is
325.
325.
Thank you. Question C.
Identify and explain the advantages to Kyle's business of using free samples as a method of promotion.
So if you are using a free sample,
Mhm.
if Killer is using free sample,
Mhm.
one, it will be able to give products to customers
Mhm.
that are not even, it's a free sample.
Yeah.
So they don't need to pay.
Yeah.
It might allow them to see how good the product is like.
Yeah.
So that might increase its sales later on. Two, it could be used as a feedback to improve the product itself.
Mhm.
When you give a free sample out, you're going to get the feedback from customers.
Yeah.
They will be real. They will tell you the truth because it costs them nothing.
Yes.
So you can use that to get feedback and improve that product before you now finally launch it out.
Yes.
That's clear, right?
Yep.
Then we go to D.
Identify and explain one advantage and one disadvantage to Kyle's business of using primary market research.
So when you use primary market research, it means you are doing this research.
Yeah, it helps you to gather new information
about the customers.
and manufacture products or services that your customers want or prefer.
Yeah.
And the disadvantage is like it can be expensive.
Yeah, it is expensive to put up primary.
Time consuming.
It is time consuming.
And it takes a long time if the research is being as a face-to-face interview with customers. It takes a long time.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the last thing about that, let's say the questions might be biased.
Yeah, it might be. Yes.
Yeah, it might be biased. You might, sometimes you want to ask questions that you want an answer for.
Yeah.
So that means those questions are not they are not objective questions. They are subjective questions.
Okay, we'll go for E.
E, okay.
Do you think Kyla should open the new cafe? Justify your answer using the information in table. Well, my own answer is I think she should because she's the business plan she's willing to do is I like it. Like having a market research and giving samples. This is a good start from my own.
Based on what we see, she's a successful business person. They said Kela owns a successful small bakery shops. So if she can own one successfully, that means she can do better than that. Yeah. She can still do more. Yeah. So also you have to check the analysis, the forecast. Yeah. Here we have our total revenue to be 325 times 4. Then let's say the total revenue does 5 times 4, 20, 0 remain the 2. 325 times 4 is what? 325, 325. 1,300, right? Yeah. Great. Then its total cost will be 500.
Yes.
To multiply by 325, that's 1,002 something. So based on this, it's still going to make profit.
A good profit.
It's going to make profit when you take your total revenue from the total cost. And yes, she has run a successful bakery before, so she can still run a successful one after that.
Yeah. So she's skilled.
She's skilled she has the quality to be a successful entrepreneur. So that means we can say yes.
Yep.
Right. And we can also say no.
I don't think we could say
no. Yeah, we
no.
can say no. Should I give you reasons for no?
Sure.
Yeah, okay. Running one business is different from you running a lot of business, running more businesses.
Yeah, this is it.
So she might suffer for diseconomies of scale. Yeah, she might start expanding to the extent that she won't be able to control it. When you control a small business, it's different from the way you're going to control large businesses.
Okay.
She's not going to be the only one there anymore. She would need someone there. What about the person putting there, the person representing her there is not just good enough like her? Yeah. Do you understand?
Yeah, but like positive points are more than the negative points.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Yeah.
So, but we can say yes or we can say
yes
no.
Or, yeah.
I think that's clear, right? Is that the last question about that?
Is the last question.
Okay, let me write them out.
I did good in this question.
Sure, there.